Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. I totally just lost what I was gonna say, but anyways, I'm in the back office. I'm taking some pictures of these terracicals because they're gonna be posted on the website tonight. So if you haven't checked out the website, go ahead and check them out because there's gonna be a whole bunch of these left over from the Carmi, and there's more to come, and we're gonna have an official section, hopefully, if I'm able to do it, for a custom. I'm taking pictures of them over here. Let's put this one right here. So yeah, I'm gonna have like what's it called, we're gonna have like maybe a section for custom ones, and we're gonna put them up on there so you're gonna be able to, like, it'll have options, hopefully, if I'm able to have options for the color, the shape, the strap, and the design on the strap, or if you want pictures or any kind of little anime things in there, as we've done before. Here's like a sample of, like, we've added little stars to this one, but we've had anime ones where you have pictures. You have this one was an old one, this one was for Christmas, or I mean Halloween. You had little pumpkins, ghosts, spiders, bats, witches. So it was cool. Didn't sell, but it's alright, it'll be on the website. I'm also gonna have these. There's 3 of these that we made. I don't know if we're gonna make more, but it's these right here. So what these are like face mask holders. You put these on the rear view mirror, and then you just put your face mask right there, because I know there's I don't know where you guys actually, where everybody puts theirs. We usually put ours like in the center with the shifter, or on the side of the signal or the other ones, but those are going to be on the website as well. But anyways, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I finished up. Another thing I do want to point out, I have been found, you know, I can't hide it any longer. I can't hide it any longer. Like, that's it. So wheels, okay. So I haven't done all of them yet. I've only done the one that I did last time. Why? I'll tell you why. Because they're a pain in the ass. Oh man, this is the first and the last time I ever do 3-piece wheels. But to be fair, I have been trying to get rid of curb rash. This was like, I think this was one of the ones that was the least scratched, but one of the ones over there I had so much curb rash. It was pretty bad. I had to clean it up. But I mean, I'm gonna clear coat them right now. Because yesterday I had done the brushed kind of thing that I wanted the look. It's not like the best, but I mean, I'm gonna clear coat it. Hopefully everything turns out good. But yeah, see how it goes. What the fuck? Look at this motherfucker. You fucking bitch. Alright. Got the first coat. So as you guys know, I'm not a professional painter. I'm using literally this rattle can. But I mean, whatevs. Maybe one day I'll get these professionally done. I got the faces professionally done, but it's whatever. Doesn't look too crazy bad. In camera or in person, I mean. In camera it looks fabulous. Like, but in person it don't look too bad either. Just saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. I'm gonna probably do 2 or 3 more coats of this. And we'll see how it comes out at the end. Charlie boy. Say hi. Hi. Derp 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 derp. Then we got this one. She's always sleeping. Why are you always sleeping? You're living the life, huh? I bet you are. She got hurt in her eye. She got in a fight with another cat. But you should have seen how you left there, huh? Huh? Yeah. Oh, the cat, leave you alone now. Alright, you guys. So, the site is live with the Tersakawas. We got the clothing. We got the Tersakawas right here. And then we got the mist, which is these 3 mask hangers that we made. But there might be some kind of deal that I might do with the Tersakawas and the shirts. But for now, if these are still up on the website, go ahead and check them out. Like I said, I'm gonna have a section for a custom one, but I have to figure out how I'm gonna do it. But anyways, go check it out, you guys. Go check it out. Link down below. Everything is up if you guys saw, everything is up on the website. Go ahead and hit the links down below. Check out the website, check out the Tersakawas, check out the clothing. I'm also gonna have a promotion code it'll be automatically at checkout. You'll get 30% off any clothing that you put into the checkout. It'll take 30% off, and then you also got the 10% off the Meister. So go ahead and check out, click the links down below. Also check out my Amazon links down below for products and things that I've used in the past videos. But other than that, I mean, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
Just see you go sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle, ring.